Hi everybody. Today I have the December Cocotique box. Yeah, it's January, but it's a little late like all the packages around this time. And it's already open because I didn't realize that this was my Cocotique box. I had no idea what this was. The label was hand printed and it's from some place I've never gotten anything from before. So, I had already opened it. I haven't really looked inside, but I do already know that this is the Seed Phytonutrients Takeover box. So everything in here is from that company. And their products are plant-based and made with natural ingredients and things like that. So, here's the bag. It says, I am worthy, I am beautiful, I am enough. I have another bag with that saying on it from a previous Cocotique box. Oh, and Cocotique is $25 a month. But if you do a longer subscription, it comes out cheaper. Like this time, the subscription was 3 months. I got the 3-month one, and it was $56 after a discount code that I had. So that's a pretty good deal. Alright, we have the card. And it says Seed Phytonutrients Holiday Takeover Box. And it says our vegan hair products are formulated with coconut, sunflower, and camelina seed oils, shea butter, turmeric, and many more nourishing naturals. These potent ingredients are rich in hair nutrients like fatty acids, vitamin C, and vitamin E to keep hair healthy and strong. And it goes on about the importance of seeds as an ingredient. This is where the plant's nutrients are encased and protected from environmental elements so they remain in their purest form. Seeds contain high concentrations of omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, phytosteroids, carotene, and vitamins A, C, D, and E. Alright. So in this box we have hair products, a body moisturizer, and a face cleanser. Okay, so the first thing I pull out is the Anti-Frizz conditioner. This box feels like paper. That's another thing. Their packages are made from 100% recycled material. It says this eco-friendly bottle uses 100% recycled material and is shower friendly. Once empty, split the bottle open and discover our heirloom seed packet inside. Oh, okay. I don't know how that happened. You use the product up and then there's a pack of seeds inside. Okay. Then compost the paper bottle and recycle the liner. Cool. So I when I saw this, I figured there's a liner in here because this feels like paper. Let me see. And it's kind of opening. You can see the plastic or something in there. Okay, you can tear this off. And there's a liner inside, and this is the packet of seeds. So I don't have to use it up first. This is sweet basil, Hudson Valley Seed Company. So I got a packet of basil seeds in there. Cool. Let me see if I can take, yeah, the paper comes all the way off. But I think you need the paper so you'll know what's in here. Because there's no writing on the bottle. So this is the conditioner. Alright. And we have a shampoo here. Anti-Frizz shampoo. I want to see what seeds are in here. So I hate destroying these bottles, but it's going to drive me crazy if I know that there's a packet of seeds in here and I don't see what it is. So let's see. Okay, I can tear this off, and that makes it much easier to open. Not much easier, but easier. And it's more sweet basil seeds. You know what? I think I'm going to take a Sharpie or something and write shampoo and conditioner, because I know this paper won't last. So I'll just write. I'll just label it myself. And then the next thing is Gentle Facial Cleanser. It says supporting independent American farmers who grow our camellia and sunflower seeds for all skin types. That's nice. And this is the facial cleanser, and this time I got a packet of lemon basil seeds. Alright. Do you like my nails? I bought a polygel kit and some gel polish and decorations and stuff, and I've been having fun playing with my nails on the weekends. Okay, and then we have a body moisturizer. It says for normal to dry skin. And each one of these bottles is 8.5 ounces. And I have more sweet basil seeds. There's the body moisturizer. And then the final item in this box is Anti-Frizz Smoothing Cream with smoothing jojoba seed oil for frizz-prone hair. And I just noticed each package has a picture and the name of the farmer who grew the ingredients. That's really nice. This farmer is Eric Vanderhyde, and they have different farmers on different. They have some different farmers on here too. That is so cool. So you know where your ingredients come from. And this is the Anti-Frizz Smoothing Cream. No seeds in this box. That's alright. To see what it smells like. It hardly has any smell at all. I'm going to rub a little bit on my hair. It's thick and creamy. Now I smell it. It has a botanical type of smell. Like plants. Nice. Okay, I'd like to try this moisturizer too. I want to see how it feels and what it smells like. It's the one for your body. Nice. Kind of lemony. And it's soaking right in. Okay. This is a pretty nice box. Especially for the price. Normally, natural products don't come cheap. Alright. So, for the December Cocotique and Seed Phytonutrients Holiday Takeover box, we got the Anti-Frizz Smoothing Cream, the Body Moisturizer, Anti-Frizz Shampoo, Anti-Frizz Conditioner, and Gentle Facial Cleanser, along with 4 packs of seeds for when spring rolls around again. And in the gorgeous black bag with the positive sayings on it. Okay, so that's everything that I got in the December Cocotique. Thank you for watching. Bye.